Hello, everyone. My name is Shayanto Shengupto, and welcome back to another episode of Corporate Cricket Diaries. And in our show, Corporate Cricket Diaries, we interview a lot of stalwarts from the field of corporate cricket who are not just into administration, but are avid cricket lovers too. And in this interesting episode today, we've got a very interesting and a very important guest with us. Today, we have Mr. Arvind Deshpande, who is the head of sports administration at Jain Irrigation. Thank you so much, sir, for coming in our interview today. It's really an honor and a huge pleasure to welcome you to our show today.
It's my pleasure also.
Thank you, sir. So tell me, sir, how are you doing? How are things at home?
At, at present, the COVID-19 is at the peak in our places. So we are all bounded and restricted to our homes only, and to some extent, partly in the office.
Yes, sir. So proper COVID guidance are being maintained at office too, I hope, sir.
Yeah. Sports activities are suspended uh, from last week.
Yes, sir. Sports activities have been suspended. Exactly. मैं भी न्यूज में पढ़ रहा था सर कि बहुत केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं अभी, तो आप भी थोड़ा
Yeah,
सावधानी से रहिए. And
yeah.
so let's move on to our first question today. So
So,
you are a sports administrator at Jain Irrigation, and you're one of the key persons who has started cricket at Jain Irrigation. Apart from cricket, can you talk to us about some other sports which have been introduced at Jain Irrigation?
my role is very meager in this administration of sports at Jain Irrigation. However, we have at Jais have created healthy and sporting environment and love to share that besides cricket, we have our corporate carom team and we also pursue the inter-school that is Chasing School program framed by All India Chess Federation. Apart from this, in cricket, I am sure that it is the only company who is sponsoring the inter-school cricket tournament after Mumbai in northern part of Maharashtra for the cadet, sub-junior and junior cricket players.
So it's really good to hear that you guys are giving a lot of significance and importance to other sports apart from cricket too. So, moving on to the next question, I would want to ask you, what is the reason and vision behind promoting other sports apart from cricket? Is there any specific motivation you guys get?
Definitely our joint managing director, Mr. Atul Jain, has a very good vision about the cricket. And we firmly believe that in India, the cricket is nothing but a religion.
Absolutely.
So it is above everything. And this sports binds everybody.
Yeah.
So whatever the other things happening around the thing would automatically arrest the thing. And
Mm.
cricket, definitely it is passion for everybody amongst us. And we give vigorous trainings. Then our main motto is to hunt the talent, that is the younger one, that is at the junior level, up to age,
Yeah.
say, 14 or 16. And
Mm.
so this is the main thing that we follow the cricket and very
Mm.
passionately at this.
Mm. वाह, दैट्स रियली ग्रेट टू हियर. तो सर बात करते हैं क्रिकेट के बारे में, जैसे आपने बताया है. तो जैन इरिगेशन में सर क्रिकेट कितना सालों से खेल रहे हो आप लोग?
Actually, we started from 2007, way back, that is 13 years back. That is corporate cricket we have started in the at Jai. And we have entry at the Time Shield cricket in Mumbai cricket, and we started it from B division, as you are aware,
Mm. Mm.
from because we are the new entrants. So we were given entry into B division, and from there we started our journey. I'm actually call it as a winning journey from B division to promotion to C, then to B, then to A, then again relegation to the B, and again to the A. And currently we are the runners-up of the A division of the Time Shield cricket.
Oh, wow. सर मैंने तो बहुत सुना है, क्रिकेट ग्राफ ने सब ने सुना है कि टाइम शील्ड में जैन इरिगेशन हैज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टीम्स, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फॉर्मिडेबल टीम, एंड इट इज ऑन par with teams like Tata, Indian Oil, and BPCL. So what goes in making such a formidable team, and what is the secret success mantra of your team at Time Shield?
The success is, I can say, that is the passion of the cricket only. That is the main idea behind it. And we are having very good support team in the form of senior cricketers.
Hmm.
We have had Mr. Rohit Rana from Bombay as our coach. Then we have Mr. Avinash Aware, who was level 2 BCCI coach, represented the south zone of India. Then we have Mr. Sandeep Dahar as our coach. Now we have to relieve him as on state duty as coach for the under 16 boys.
Yeah.
Then we have Mr. Suresh Budpul as a trainer, who was also played his ICL in those days.
2007,
and he's
2000.
working, yes. So everybody is connected to the cricket, and
Yeah.
that's why we can put little bit extra mind in putting our efforts for the cricket, and
Yeah.
that is the main
Yeah.
one.
So you mean to say that it's very important to have a good coaching setup, a good backroom setup for a team to perform?
Definitely.
Yes, sir. So what kind of players do जैन इरिगेशन हायर? मतलब आप लोग इन हाउस प्लेयर्स ही खेलते हैं क्रिकेट, कि आप लोग कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड प्लेयर्स भी लाते हैं बाहर से?
हमारे यहाँ तो मेनली हमारे इन हाउस प्लेयर्स है, और मुझे गर्व है इस बात का कि जैन इरिगेशन ऐसी एक कंपनी है प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जो लोगों को जॉब ऑफर कर रही है। और जहाँ तक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की बात है, इन वेरी रेयर ओकेजन, और मेरे ख्याल से तो अभी तक तो हमने किसी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस पे नहीं हायर किया, बट डेफिनेटली वी आर ग्रूमिंग द बॉयज फ्रॉम बॉम्बे ऑन द स्कॉलरशिप बेसिस. सो वी आर giving scholarship to them to represent from our company. That is the thing. And our main motto is to give and extend this family security to every participant, so that after giving him, offering him a job, he will very freely and honestly play for our company.
Yeah, exactly. So over the years, are there any popular faces? Are there any stalwarts in international cricket or maybe domestic Ranji level who've played for Jain Irrigation?
Yeah, definitely. We have so many faces there.
Yeah.
To name the top, that is Mr. Faiz Fazal,
Yeah.
who is running the Vidarbha. In last 2 years, he has consecutively snatched the Ranji trophies for his Vidarbha team. He was also leading our team. Mr. Samat, he is also one of our famous face. Then Abhishek Raut, who has represented Mumbai and currently representing Tripura. He was also there. Mr. Srikant Munde, who is the all-rounder for Maharashtra. Then we have Moshi Dudia from Saurashtra. We had Mr. Dhiren Mistry from Baroda. So Mr. Sanjay Mishra from Madhya Pradesh. So they all contributed in our journey, and I can name them. And at present, Jay Bisra is leading very nicely. We had Mr. Mansingh Nigre from Maharashtra also. Those who have got the people together and form a very good combination and the winning side of our.
Wow, that's such a star-studded names which you've actually raised, right? And I wish all more recognized faces and international cricketers come and play for Jain Irrigation. So moving on to the next question we have, could you name some of the players who might not be popular when it comes to the face of cricket, but they've scored runs prolifically for Jain Irrigation? Could you name some players?
Yes, the leading name is Shashank Askarde, who very recently was picked up for Bombay Ranji. Mr. Rakesh Prabhu is also leading pace bowler for our team, HRC.
So moving on to the next question, and it's a little personal question. Your son Varun, he's a fantastic player in Time Shield. He's been representing Jain Irrigation. So could you describe your feeling? I mean, I'm pretty sure you cannot describe it in words, but then give of your feeling when he scored his first century for Jain Irrigation at Time Shield Division A.
Definitely, as a father, I'm very
Yeah.
happy to see him scoring the runs for the himself as well as for our Jain
Yeah.
Irrigation cricket team. And
Yeah.
but of course, I'm not contented with that only. I wish
Mhm.
that he should continue to play more vigorously and with consistency and sincere.
Yeah. So your warm smile speaks 1,000 words. I mean, the kind of
Correct.
smile which flashed on your face when we were talking about Varun. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So could you give us a little insight about how the financial vertical is taking place? I mean, I heard the CEO of Jain Foundation, Mr. Jain, he himself is a huge cricket enthusiast. So how are the financial verticals being taken care of, sir, at Jain Irrigation?
Basically, before Mr. Atul Jain, our chairman, Mr. Ashok Jain, is
Yeah.
the eldest brother of them. He
Yeah.
himself was a cricketer in his day,
Hmm.
and he is very passionate for that.
Yeah.
And Mr. Atul Jain, who is joint managing director in Jain,
Yeah.
and looking after the marketing of the Jain Irrigation Company. He
Yeah.
is our boss there, you can say. And he's a
Yeah.
not only boss, but he's a passionate, he's a mentor, he's a guide
Yeah.
for us
Yeah.
in this
Hmm.
very huge and but disciplined journey
Hmm.
of cricket.
Yeah.
Uh, as far as finance is concerned, I have companies spending under his guidance. Uh, but truly speaking, I'm not directly connected to the finance
Mhm.
section of the company.
Okay. Yeah.
But I can say that money is not the matter. Uh, as long as the people and the team
Yeah.
is is keeping playing and
Hmm.
winning for the company. That is a
Yeah.
pride for the company also,
Yes, sir.
um, and they are very happy with the results the boys are
Yeah.
giving.
Exactly. Everyone's contented by your performances. I think that's what truly matters in this field of cricket.
And
So
with
moving
in
on.
this
Yeah.
journey also, as I said, Mr.
Yeah.
Rohit Rane, Sandeep Dahad, Suraj Gurkul,
Yeah.
these were also the very handy persons,
Hmm.
and uh, none other than one Mr. Mayank Parekh, very
Hmm.
famous personality in Bombay cricket, Mumbai
Yeah.
cricket. He is
Yeah.
also giving his guidance and
Yeah.
everything for us and
Yeah.
providing very good players for the team.
Yeah. Exactly. Yes, sir. So moving on to the final question of our small but crisp interview and a fun-loving interview today. So, what are some key takeaways you've had in your personal life, like maybe personal values which you've taken from cricket? I mean, we all say that cricket is more than just a sport; it is a way of life, and it teaches us so many things. So, what are some of the learnings you've had in your life, sir?
Uh, First and foremost, I hope the cricket has taught me to take the decisions in the life.
Yeah.
Whatever the situations around you, it may be worse, it may be very odd, or maybe favorable, but taking a decision is very
Yeah.
significant. And as everybody aware that in cricket,
Mm.
when you are getting run out, it is called as
Mm.
suicidal. It is called
Yeah.
as suicidal.
True.
And
True.
we exactly, as I hope the cricket teaches us that you should not go for that. रन आउट
Yeah.
होना नहीं है, तो
Yeah.
सुसाइड नहीं करना है. एक
Yeah.
बहुत बड़ा लेसन है सबके लिए
Yeah.
कि
True.
जिंदगी में कोई भी एडवर्स सिचुएशन हो, आप कहीं भी हो, बट
Mm.
यू शुड स्टे एंड एक अच्छा तरह से स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट से आपकी जिंदगी जियो और लाइफ
Correct.
में आगे बढ़ो. दैट व्हाट क्रिकेट taught us, and particularly I am for
Yeah.
that fraternity also. So I
Yeah.
believe strongly in that. And
Yeah.
secondly, as it is everybody knows that cricket is called as
Mm.
gentleman's game. Nowadays, little
Absolutely.
bit here and there, but still it
Yeah.
is a gentleman's game,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
everybody believes in. That's
True.
what we feel, and we
Yeah.
follow that.
Terrific, sir. Lovely. I think you've got a lot of takeaways. And that's a great analogy which you made when you connected runouts to the way of life and why we should never uh, succumb to the face of adversity or never succumb to any hardships which he has. Thank you so much, Arvind sir, for giving us time out of your busy schedule. It's been an honor, it's been a pleasure, and I hope you had fun in the interview. And wishing you loads of happiness and wishing you, and please take care of yourself, sir.
Yes, thank you very much, and I'm very sorry for the network issues and all. That's what we all
Not a
face.
problem at all, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
And thank Prashant sir also, yourself, as well as
Thank
Cricket Graph.
you.